Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to inspect Element on Firefox Mobile. Alright, let's begin. To start, open the Firefox browser on your Android device. Tap the three dots icon at the top of the screen and create a new bookmark. Then tap the edit link at the bottom and you'll be prompted to name it. Use something memorable like Inspect Element. Now you need to enter a special script. Copy the Inspect Element JavaScript code and paste it into the URL section of the bookmark. Once that's done, exit the bookmark menu to save it. Next, visit any website using Firefox. In this example, I'll use yahoo.com. Once the page loads, tap on the address bar and type the name of the bookmark you just created, Inspect Element. You should now see your bookmark appear under Mobile Bookmarks. Select the Inspect Element bookmark. A gear icon will show up in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that icon, and the Elements tab will pop up on your screen. From here, you can inspect various elements of any web page, just like you would on a desktop browser. You can repeat this process on any site by selecting the same bookmark. So that's basically how you can inspect Element on Firefox Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.